What I want to share with you today is the anomalous properties of nitrogen. Dear students, myself Dr. Digna Varghese. Anomalous properties of nitrogen. Nitrogen, we know this element is present in group 15 and its atomic number is 7 and its mass number is 14. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. It is a non-metal and exists in the gaseous state. Except for nitrogen, the other elements in this particular group are solid at room temperature. Nitrogen is the fifth most abundant element in the universe. It is used in pharmacological drugs, computers, X-rays, etc. Nitrogen differs from the rest of members of the group 15 due to its small size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, and the non-availability of d orbitals in the valence shell. These 4 points that makes nitrogen differs from the rest of the group members. Nitrogen has unique ability to form p-pi multiple bonds with itself and with other elements having small size and high electronegativity. That is, it can form nitrogen multiple bonds with itself and with other elements such as oxygen, carbon with a small size and oxygen having high electronegativity that can form multiple bonds with nitrogen. Heavier elements of this group, that is phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, do not form p-pi multiple bonds as their atomic orbitals are so large and diffuse they cannot have effective overlapping with itself or with other elements. Nitrogen forms p-pi multiple bonds and they exist as a diatomic molecules, nitrogen with a triple bond. Here the nitrogen can form p-pi multiple bonds with itself, so it exists as a nitrogen diatomic molecules, that is N2 with a triple bond. Heavier elements do not form p-pi multiple bonds, that is phosphorus, arsenic and antimony form single bonds. Phosphorus forms single bonds with in the elemental state and as a result it exists as a p4, arsenic 4, stibine, antimony 4. That is, it exists as a, these elements exist as a phosphorus, arsenic, antimony exist as in a polyatomic molecules. Bismuth forms metallic bonds in the elemental state. Since the bond enthalpy of nitrogen is very high, that is about 941.4 kJ per mole, nitrogen is very stable and relatively less reactive than the other group 15 elements in the elemental state. And in some reactions, nitrogen acts as an inert atmosphere. Nitrogen does not have d orbitals in its valence shell. We know its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. There is no d orbitals in its valence shell. As a result, nitrogen cannot form d-pi bond. It can only form p-pi bonds with itself and with other elements. While the heavier elements can form d-pi bonds, that is, phosphorus can form d-pi bonds with the oxygen and also phosphorus can form d-pi bonds with the carbon. For example, R3p double bond O, R3p double bond CH2, where R is the alkyl group. Further, phosphorus and arsenic can form d-pi bond two with the transition metals. When molecules like triethyl phosphine, triphenyl arsine, or triphenyl phosphine, etc., act as ligands. We can see triphenyl phosphine act as ligands with the rhodium metal. This particular complex is known as Wilkinson's catalyst. This catalyst is used for the hydrogenation reaction. Nitrogen shows a large number of oxidation states in its compounds that we can see from this table. It ranges from -3 to +5, -3 for ammonia, -2 for hydrazine, -1 for hydroxylamine, 0 for nitrogen, +1 for nitrous oxide, +2 for nitric oxide, and +3 for nitrous acid, +4 for nitrogen dioxide, +5 for nitric acid. But the heavier elements of group 15 do not show such a variety of oxidation states. Heavier elements, among them phosphorus, show -3, -2, +1, +3, +4, and +5 oxidation states, but arsenic, antimony, that shows +3 and +5. But when we are moving from arsenic to bismuth, the stability of the +5 oxidation states decreases and that of the +3 state increases down the group. This can be explained on the basis of inert pair effect. The hydride of nitrogen that is ammonia, that is also known as azane, is thermally stable and non-poisonous, that we have already studied. The hydrides of the heavier elements of group 15 are less stable and poisonous. We can see from this figure that the ammonia is stable, thermally stable, and it is non-poisonous, but the other gases are poisonous gases. And from phosphine to bismuthine, the stability is also decreases. Bismuthine is highly unstable compound. Ammonia forms intermolecular hydrogen bonding. As a result, ammonia has a high boiling point, -33.4 degrees Celsius, higher than those of phosphine and arsine. Phosphine has -88.5 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of arsine is -62.5 degrees Celsius. Ammonia has high boiling point than phosphine and arsine. This is due to its intermolecular hydrogen bonding. A hydrogen bond is a bond existing between the hydrogen atom and the most electronegative element. That is, here nitrogen is highly electronegative when compared to hydrogen, so it can form a hydrogen bond with next ammonia molecule or neighboring ammonia molecules hydrogen, and this hydrogen bonding extending, due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, this has high boiling point. Among the trihalides of nitrogen, NX3, only NF3 is known to be stable. Nitrogen trifluoride is stable. Others, nitrogen trichloride and nitrogen tribromide and nitrogen triiodide, are highly unstable and very high reactive. In the case of trihalides of the heavier elements of group 15 are stable and less reactive, that is PCl3, PBr3, etc. Unlike the heavier elements of group 15, nitrogen does not show pentavalency. That means it cannot form valency 5. Nitrogen does not form NCl5. It can only form NCl3, but it is unstable. NF3, that is stable. Nitrogen does not form NCl5 because nitrogen does not have no d orbitals in its valence shells. So nitrogen does not have d orbitals in its valence shell, that is only the principal quantum number is 2 here. We know for d shell starting from the principal quantum number 3. Its maximum covalency is restricted therefore to 4 since only 4 1 2s and 3 2p orbitals are available for hybridization. The heavier elements of group 15 can form pentahalides, PCl5, SPF5, etc. because of their atoms possess valence shell d orbitals which can take part in hybridization and bonding. Thank you for your attention.